Hello everybody, my name is Human19 and welcome to the last chapter of the Five Nights at Freddy's saga. 5 Nights at Freddy's 4. Now let's get started. 5 days until the party. What is that? What did he do this time? He locked you in your room again. Don't be scared, I'm here with you. Oh, like that other mini games. These are my friends. Just look at this golden dude right here. His eyes move where I go. Poor kid. It's such tomorrow is another day. Okay. I'm starting getting goosebumps here. Night 1. I'm so dead, aren't I? Yep, I am. Okay. So basically this is the last game for the click on the door to run over. Okay. Come on. Oh, stupid pop-up. Hold shift for the door. I'm so sorry about this, guys, but shift. I am so scared of my life right now. I'm so scared. Sorry about this, guys. My computer stinks like ball honky. Hold on. I always get used to that. I am going to die. I am literally going to die. Mama. I am so... Okay. The thing is, I hate my life. I hate this so much. Please make it stop. I am going to die. I'm going to die. I'm going. Get over here. I'm not going. Oh my god, I am literally going to die from this. Is that... Oh my god, I'm so scared. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry about this, guys. I need to pray God because I see these things and they are not right. I might do one night. You know, just to get used to it. Oh boy, I am. Holy poop. Mama. Oh my god. Oh I might do one video, which also I might do a GTA video with my cousin, or probably get him into this stuff. I tried to do the face cam earlier, but sadly it did not work. Stupid computer. Yeah, it did not work. So basically, yeah. Holy crap! Oh, sorry for my language there. I hate Freddy. Holy. The hot yellow chicken. Sorry. It's the chicken. Oh crap! They're in. Oh my god. The night began with joy. Oh my god! I am so scared for my life. I'm feeling like Michael Jackson when he's scared. Sorry. I'm scared about this. I am not getting up. I am not giving up. I am so scared out of my muffin tots. I just say most because that muffins also do jump scares. Yeah, I look ahead, people. 5 a.m. 5 a.m. Oh, no. Back off. Oh my god. Need to make it through 5 a.m. Please make it through to 5 a.m. Please make it through to 9 a.m. I want to live to my birthday. Oh my god, I am so scared. Oh my god, I'm feeling Michael Jackson on his birthday. Need me to through to the 5 a.m. so I won't die a horrible scary death. This is too scary. Josh, you made me really scared. I think you did. I made it! Oh my god. Oh my god, I was so scared. 4 days until the party. You know he's hiding again. Okay, who's hiding? So basically this gotta be the main area room. You won't stop until you find him. Who finds me? Okay, what is this? Is this my sister's room? Hey look, there's Mangle. Hey Mangle. Over there. Huh? Is it over here? I am so scared out of my mind. Holy! What the heck? What the heck? Tomorrow is another day. Tomorrow is up to date my butt. Oh my god. Ooh, what's this? Have fun with blush? Hold on. Stupid computer. I'm so sorry, my computer stinks at the moment. Oh, look at the adorable spring trap. Come on, Spring. Hold on. And one just... Breakup is the soul of the purple guy. I'm not trusting that thing for a moment. Hold on. He's still standing there. Oh my god. Yeah, there's the teacher for in Scott Games, which I don't know if it's there anymore. Spring crap. I don't trust that dude. Hold on, let's wait for a while. Hold on. Wait till I go to my favorite number. Nope. My lucky number did not work. Four, three, two, one. Too bad. Oh well. 92. You know what? I think I might gonna just jump scare my body. I'm sorry, but we haven't seen him in a couple months. I think we should let him jump scare us. Too bad, Toy Chica. You were invited to Freddy Free. You can stay out. Especially that evil cupcake. So evil. Stupid computer. Hold on. So basically, me and my cousin are gonna obviously be in a GTA video. I might get interested in this game. Maybe. I don't know. I don't know because I don't know if he's too scared. Because look at me, I'm totally scared. Oh my god. If it was up to you fans, I would have not played this game. Oh my god. Okay, we're back. And I am still being my I am scared as heck. I am so scared on my mind. I'm so scared out of my mind. I'm so scared. Ah, stupid computer. Sorry about that, guys. Bonnie! Bonnie the body, I am so scared of that. Oh! Dang it, chica, you hot yellow chicken. And you don't know what that, flag time is. Go watch the Five Nights at Freddy's Los Santos. Los Santos event. Los Santos is the YouTube channel. That is cool. I'll put it in the link of the description. And also the video where I say how the old chicken came from. Believe me, it's so hilarious. I just love that catchphrase. So anyway, that is it. I hope you enjoy all my cousins and the Lyosacks. Sorry, it was Lyosacks. Lyosacks channels are gonna be in the link of the description. I hope you subscribe to my channel and also those channels. And I'll see you next time. So, well, bye.